guys, I'm back. Today I'm gonna be turning myself into an it girl, just like any iconic character like Blair Waldorf, Serena van der Woodsen, Summer Roberts, just like any iconic girl character or whatever. So let's just get right into that. Okay, I usually start with my makeup, but for today I'm gonna start with my hair. I'm just gonna curl these two fronts, so yeah. Hey guys, this is the hair. I tried to do some type of layers. We're gonna fix it, but yeah. Okay, first I'm gonna go in with some foundation. Okay, foundation is done, and next we're gonna go in with some bronzer. I'm just gonna add some contour to the nose. Next, I'm gonna add some concealer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some blush. Okay, you can definitely see the blush. Next I'm gonna add some powder. Okay, I added some more concealer in case you notice. Next I'm gonna go with some highlights. Okay, next we're gonna add some eyeshadow. I've been loving this palette. I got it off Amazon. I'm gonna be using this shade and this shade, so yeah. Next I'm gonna add some eyeliner. Next I'm gonna add some mascara. Okay, next I'm gonna add some lip gloss. Setting spray. Makeup is done. I love it. Okay, so for my it girl outfit, I was thinking of wearing this like red dress with this like cardigan, very like classy, you know, like rich aesthetic. Obviously I'm not like rich, but like still. I'm wearing some red today because red, it says wearing red represents like confidence and like strength and character, so I'm trying to, you know, like feel that. But anyway, let's try the outfit. Okay guys, here's the outfit. I feel like it would look better without the cardigan, but I don't know. Okay guys, thanks for watching me turn into an it girl. I feel more confident. I don't know, this look makes me feel more like confident. I just love the energy and vibes, I don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.